Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread Maggi full guide. Start by gathering bread slices, 1 packet of masala noodles, 1 onion, 1 tomato, oil, salt, and chili. Toast the bread lightly and boil noodles until al dente, then drain. Sauté onions and tomatoes with spices, add cooked noodles and torn bread pieces, toss to coat evenly, and finish with fresh herbs and a squeeze of lemon. Heat a pan with a tablespoon of oil and gently toast sliced bread on both sides until just golden. Boil Maggi noodles for 2 minutes, drain and set aside. In the same pan, add oil, chopped onion, and tomato, then sauté until soft and fragrant. Stir in the Maggi masala, cooked noodles, and torn bread pieces, mixing well to coat everything evenly before garnishing with cilantro and lemon. If this tutorial is helping you, please hit subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers for storing leftovers and meal prep. They make it simple to keep bread Maggi fresh for later. Look in the description for the link and current deals so you can grab a set too. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For variety, toss in quick-cook vegetables such as peas or diced bell pepper when sautéing the aromatics to add color and nutrients. Stir in beaten egg or crumbled paneer for extra protein and a richer mouthfeel. If you prefer crunch, crisp the bread separately and add at the end, or fold in softer bread for a creamier texture. Adjust chilies and lemon to taste for a perfect balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.